Slope of a line. Determine the slope of a line that passes through the points -3 and 1 and 3 and -4. So dito, hinahanap is the slope of a line. So alam naman natin na ang slope of a line formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So yan talaga yung given or the constant slope of a line formula. So we have a solution here. The given points are, so ito yung given points. So yung first point natin, let's say itong -3 and 1. And yung magiging point 2 natin is 3 and -4. So the first ordered pair, ito yung point 1, second ordered pair is point 2. And after that, we're going to identify or determine the x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Itong x sub 1, ito yung ating point 1 x coordinate. Point 1 x coordinate which is -3. And yung y sub 1, that is y coordinate which is +1. And x sub 2 or the point 2 x coordinate is 3. And we have -4 as our y sub 2. Ayan. Then after this one, after natin ma-identify yung coordinates, we are going to substitute that one sa ating formula. So we have m as the slope. Okay. So y sub 2 which is -4 minus the y sub 1 is 1. And we have the x sub 2 which is 3 minus the x sub 1 which is -3. Ayan. So, gamitan natin ng parenthesis kasi negative siya. Okay? And you can also write parenthesis here. So, it's up to you. Pwede naman hindi. Okay? Ayan. Then, after that one, you are going to perform the operation or simplify. You have to copy m. Okay? Then, -4 minus 1, that is -5. And for the denominator, 3. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin. 3. And negative times -3, that is +3. Ayan. Then we have the m is equal to, or the slope is equal to -5 over 6. And for the final answer, our final answer should be m is equal to negative. So, nasa gitna yung negative and we have 5 and over 6. So, ito na yung magiging slope ng ating given points. Another one. Determine the slope of a line that passes through the points 7 and -2. And we have another point 9 and 3. Okay? So, substitute natin yan later sa ating slope of a line formula. Okay? So, ito yung points. So, we'll let be point 1. We have the ordered pair 7 and -2. Ang point 2 natin, yung ordered pair is 9 and 3. Then, identify na naman natin kung ano yung ating value ng x sub 1. Okay? So, point 1, x coordinate is 7. Y coordinate is -2. For point 2, we have the x sub 2. Oh, yes. We have 9 and +3. Okay? So, next, substitute this one to our formula. We have the slope is equal to, okay, so y sub 2, we have 3. Okay, so 3 minus, of course, the x The y sub 1 is negative 2. So we are going to put it inside the parenthesis. Then for the denominator, x sub 2, we have 9 minus 7. Okay. Then we have slope is equal to 3. Sa isahin ko, negative times negative 2, we have positive 2 para makasunod kayo bakit nagiging plus 2. Okay, then 9 minus 7. So we have the slope is equal to 3 plus 2, we have 5 over 9 minus 2, that is 9 minus 7, that is 2. So our slope is, ayan, so slope natin we have m or is equal to 5 over 2. Next, determine the slope of a line that passes through the point. So another point na naman. So we have, of course, our formula for the slope of a line. Then let's say the point 1 is still the ordered pair negative 5 and 6, and the point 2 is 0 and negative 5. Then we are going to identify the value of the x sub 1, which is the x-coordinate negative 5. And we have positive 6. Sa point 2 naman, we have x-coordinate is 0 and the negative 5 as our y-coordinate. Then we will substitute that one to our formula. We have m is equal to, we have negative 5 minus 6. So negative 5. Then we have minus 6. Okay, 6 yung ano natin, y sub 1. X sub 2, we have 0. Of course, 0 minus and negative 5. So we are going to use, we will write that one into or inside the parenthesis. Okay, then m or the slope is equal to, so we have negative 5 minus 6. So the same sign, we have negative 11. So add the two integers. And for the denominator, you have to multiply this one, magiging positive 5. So for our final answer, it should be m is equal to negative 11 over 5. So this will be our final answer.